How to order. First, select the shape and size you'd like to order. Next, upload an original high-resolution image file from your phone or computer. Images saved from social media, screenshots, or other websites may be compressed and can result in a low-resolution print. If your image does not meet minimum required dimensions for the print size you've selected, you may need to choose a new image file. Adjust the image as needed to be aligned in the frame. Be sure the image completely fills the designated print area before placing your order. Remember that the teal represents transparency, and transparent backgrounds will be printed as white. To order a gallery wall, upload your images in the desired print areas. Adjust the images so that it fills the entire print area. Be sure to review our image requirements to meet the minimum dimensions to ensure quality of print. Enjoy your nest effects!